Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can print shipping labels on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the left uh, side of your screen. After that, go down to settings. Once you go to settings, on this little menu on the left that includes all of the sections, go ahead and search for shipping and delivery. Once you click on shipping and delivery, you're going to find right here the general shipping. And if you scroll down, you're going to find shipping labels. In my case, I don't have any labels yet, but I'm going to show you guys in image how it will look like. As you can see guys here in the picture, this is how the shipping labels section looks like. So once you go here, you're going to find all of the shipping labels. Use labels to pay for shippings and get orders to your customers. So if you scroll down, you're going to find your label formats. And right here in the right, you're going to find print test label. So if you click here, you need to just choose the location where you want to uh, download it, and then you can print it. Once you finish, go ahead and print it as a PDF, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.